Hello guys, welcome back with me, Ciao Ciao 2025. Today we're going to learn about how to set how big character open his or her mouth in Stable Diffusion. We are going to use Open Mouth Slider Lora Model from NextMeal in civitai.com. Link on the description. Whether you use Automatic 11, Forge or Comfy, you could do this as long as it has access to Lora. In this example, I use Forge because it is faster, but Automatic 11 should be able to do this. If you use Comfy, refer to how to use Lora in Comfy and adjust from there. Now I will tell you a great Lora model that could do this. You could use Open Mouth Slider created by NextMeal. You could access civitai.com and the link is on the video description. Download the model and put it on your Lora Models folder. Its default location is in webui/models/Lora. Now to use it, we're going to make a prompt first. You could use any prompt to generate a character, whether man or woman. Now use the Lora weight here, adjusting to whatever you want. Open Mouth Slider you could use is from -0.5 to +5. Avoid using any description of mouth, like open mouth, wide open-mouthed, parted lips, closed mouth, and other stuff that indicate mouth position. This thing will confuse the AI to whether follow your instruction or follow the Lora weight. Here are some examples. The creator said that this is not perfect and we need to be precise with our prompts. This Lora tends to change the eyes and hair. Adding negative prompts can help. It will still slightly affect the lighting, eye color, hair. So only use small weights for adjusting mouth is recommended. Also, you need to remember, a jump from weight 2 to 3 will create image that could slightly different to really different, so be careful about that. This thing also could work on your Lora character. Here are some examples. Here are a list of other pictures that I gave the variety of weight, so the result may vary from one image to another. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you on the next episode and have a nice day. Please subscribe.